I'm Jimmy from Distorted Perception. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to go over Marilyn Manson vocal effects and chain. Stay tuned. Now we're in the DAW and we are going to go over Marilyn Manson vocal effects chain. I'll play a quick little audio sample because I've been working on something. So it'll be the chorus to Coma White. Get the idea. Got some Manson vibe. So it wasn't that hard to get there. I have two tracks for Manson. I have a clean and then an affected. So if we solo the clean, I'll build to make you anybody else but we start out with a virtual mix rack. I'm not doing much here. Bumping up a little bit of 6K, bumping up a little bit of 2K, just for some presence. And then we are compressing the ever-loving hell out of it. So I am 4-to-1 attack, late release on the FG116. You see I'm compressing like 20 dB. And then I have this revival. That's a 4-to-1 ratio. If I turn that off, just bringing out that aggressiveness, and then I put a little shimmer on it. We go into an L1. I'm just keeping it even all the way throughout. Keep that aggressiveness and make sure it doesn't get out of control. You can see it right here. And then, just for a little extra monster, I am going into Little Altar Boy. You see, if I put this all the way to wet, this is... But I'm mixing that in parallel. Just gives it that kind of creepy Manson vibe. On my double track, pretty simple. I have the same virtual mix rack, doing about the same thing. We're getting that 20 dB, same EQ, but adding thickness, not shimmer this time. And then we're going into this silly old plugin. It's been around forever. Chris Lord Algae. I have it on the direct output. We are putting a filter on it, so we're just giving it a little squeeze. We got distortion on the drive setting, reverb on the room. These are all around unity at 0. The short delay is a little higher, so I got a little slap delay in there, and then a long delay. And then for the pitch, I have it on the chorus, and that's a little below unity. And if you mix these two, it gives it that nice in your face and then nice and wide. So this is giving us our nice and wide, and our clean is giving us the nice direct Manson in your face vibe. And then that is just going into a bus. What this bus is doing is mixing these together. So I got a true iron, just giving it a little bit of this Devon vocal polish, just giving it a little tube saturation on this 1166A. This is a really cool plugin. Got the crush up to 8.4 dB, and then a little bit of soothe just to take out some of the harshness we're introducing. Then we're doing even more saturation on the warm tape, drive at 35%. You see if I crank this, it's a little too much. Have to get it to cut through the mix and give it that nice warm tape. Going into a Pro MB just to cut down on any of the low end buildup. Putting them both through a little plate, but only at 40% with a little pre-delay. And that's just to add some space. You can hear with that off. Just gives us that nice fullness. And then our good old friend L1 And it's not really doing much. It's just if anything gets a little too out of control, we got it saved. And that's it. That's all you need from Manson. The key to Manson is he likes to double track, and he does it he'll do his little kind of talking fry voice. I mean, this is the chorus, so I don't have that going on, but for his verses, he just likes to fry. And then kind of like a witchy kind of sound. And then this is more for kind of his screams, but he's not screaming atonally. He screams with pitch. You can follow the pitch here. It's an actual pitch going on. For the verses, he's still using pitch. I mean, this is me, but you just gotta kind of like sing through your teeth. So that was just a quick little Manson tutorial and vocal effects, how you can kind of get that Manson sound. The key is to double track though, and affect your double track quite a bit. I don't really have any effects on this clean channel. It's sent into the starlight over here, but only in certain spots, just to give it some ambience on certain phrases. Yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Hope this is helpful. See you on the next one.